Hello, hope this video finds in a good condition. Gotham Model School Jiagura branch online classes presents a very short basic topic of English. So, our first topic is alphabets. This topic is specially for the students of first and second grade, and third grade can also approach for this. This video is helpful for parents as well teachers, those who want to teach their small kids. So here alphabets. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. These 26 letters are subdivided into two groups. They are vowels and consonants. So these alphabets are 26 letters, and these 26 letters are divided into two groups. What are those two groups? Vowels and consonants. So you can see clearly how I have mentioned how I have arranged this small a to small z in a systematic way. These vowels a, e, I, o, u in a one side, that are vowels, and vowels are 5. In the same way, these remaining letters are consonants. Those are 21. So for the better remembering purpose of the students, those who are in first and second grade can also remind themselves with the small finger trips. You can see vowels are 5. Finger trick. Can you see how sweet it is? A, E, I, O, U. So this gives rise to the consonants. So here you can see consonants are 21. So this 21 is a grape technique. You can see here the grapes, how sweetly it's looking. So once you can read this: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So in this first part, what we have learned that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. These are divided into two groups. What are those? Vowels and consonants. Vowels are 5 and consonants are 21. So after this we comes to the part second. Articles. What is our second part? Article. What is article? Article is a word which combines with a noun. So noun is a naming word. So what are articles? Articles are words. What it's doing? It's combining the naming word or a noun. So a and the are articles. Articles are three: a and the. So these articles showing the clear map pointing with a difference. So this a and the are divided into two groups. What are those two groups? Indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. So what is a and an? They do not point out any specific people, place or a thing. So what a and an, what they are doing, they are not pointing out any specific means any special people, place or a thing. But what is the it points out the specific means special person, place or a thing. So you can see the clear example of this indefinite article, that is read a book. Read a book means it may be any book, but here in definite articles, read the holy book Bible. So what here it's saying, read the holy book Bible, means Bible is a great, famous and a special and a holy book. Okay, so we can understood clearly there are three articles and a and the, and this three articles are divided into two groups, that is indefinite article and definite article. A and an indefinite article, the is definite articles. What is a and an? They do not point out any special or specific people, place or a thing. It points out a special or a specific person, place or a thing. Example of indefinite article, read a book, it may be any book, but here read the book, read the holy book Bible means it's a special and a great and famous book. So here our topics did not finishes. Then here comes the uses of articles, where we have to use a. We have to use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. What are consonant? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. So example you can see a, there is a box of sweet. So consonant sound we said. So here it's coming B. A, that's what A is coming here, a box. Second, where we have to use a in front of singular countable noun. Later we will discuss in detail what is singular countable noun, but here when we mention something for the first time, when we are seeing something for the first time, we can use uh, before that. Example, I saw a tiger. Tiger is a wild animal, right? We can't see daily. Once a while we'll see. I saw for the first time. For that reason I have used a tiger. So where we have to use a, and we have to use a in front of the long sound of you. You can see because there is no vowel in you. So you is written here. You will be written but sounding like y-o-u-u. So why I am stressing on sound, because you can see in the following example, uniform, university, European. So it's u is written but it's pronouncing like a uniform, university, European. So it's sounding like y-o-u-u. It's not sounding like vowel u. So for that reason we are using before it, and also before the word one. Whenever we are saying a word or any one, we have to write before it. For example, a one-eyed man, a one-year course, a one-day holiday. So in four places we have to use first one is in front of consonants, the 21 consonants I said, no, that one. And before something we are saying for the first one, first time. And third is when there is a long sound of u, y-o-u-u. And fourth, before a word or any one. And after this, where we have to use an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So whenever we are seeing this, we have to use an. For example, an ant, an umbrella. Then we have to use an. So is used before a word which begins with a vowel sound, and also when the first letter, especially H, is silent. So whenever H is silent, especially we have to use an. Here you can see why I am stressing on the sound, because your spelling of R is H-O-U-R-R. So we are not pronouncing H, we are pronouncing from here, an R. And honest, we are saying honest, we are not saying honest. So in two places we have to use an, and first one before the vowel sound, and second one when H is silent. So after that, our last but not the least comes here the the is used when there is a particular person or a thing mentioned. So whenever there is a special, particular, any famous things are there, where there we have to use the. So the earth, the moon, the sun, these are the example. The is used before the following particulars also. You can see famous buildings, Taj Mahal, famous rivers, the Ganga, the Narmada, famous oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and others, famous seas, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, and also holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, etc. Then mountains. What are those famous mountains? The Himalaya, the Mount Everest. Also we have to use before the cardinal points, the east, the west, the north, the south, and also before the superlative degree, the highest, the biggest, etc. So hope this video helpful to you. Have a nice day.